Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hey guys, I go by the name Lollipop. Yes, I've got an apropos for you. A gist for that matter. And this time around, it's about we ladies. But for your information, let me tell you this. Don't you ever, if you are a guy and you're listening and you're watching this, don't you ever underestimate the power of a woman. Be it a girl of a year old or a day old, or a lady or a grown-up woman like me, not to talk of an elderly woman. Don't you ever, guys, okay? Don't you ever underestimate the power of a woman. There is this woman, she's from Delta State. Do you know what she did? She climbed the pole of electric pole. She climbed it and connected the lights that the power holding company of the state that they disconnected. She climbed the pole and connected the lights back. Hey! And she came down unscratched. Yes, nothing touched her body, nothing do her. She connected the lights back successfully. So do you get it, guys? Don't you ever look down on us. We are powerful. Don't tell anyone. I'm telling you this. Women, we are powerful. We are powerful. Don't you ever look down on us, okay? And don't look down on any woman except you are admiring their shoe, okay? So that's it, guys. You see it, go and watch it.